Hello guys, in this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to use Airtable for content planning. So stick around to the end to get all the steps and tips in order to do this. Right away, we can find ourselves in our homepage on Airtable. We're going to create a new workspace for content management. In order to do this, we're going to go over to the left sidebar where we have the plus icon on the line of all workspaces. So we're going to click on it and we're going to name this content planning space. And now we've done this, all we need to do is to go over to templates on the left sidebar at the bottom and click on template and apps. And Airtable has many options, but we're going to go over to the search bar and search for content. We have different content options here. We're going to select content calendar because we're trying to plan our content. And what it does is it's going to load a template for you to have a preview. So this is a preview and we're going to click on try this template. Of course, we're using the option to use this template to save time. However, if you want to create a content planning template from scratch, all you need to do is to go over to create and start from scratch. So after selecting the template, we can go over here to select the right workspace. It's by default on my first workspace. So we're going to click on it and choose content planning space. So we're going to click on create. And within a few seconds, you're going to have your content planning calendar here. At first, it looks a bit overwhelming, but we're going to close some of these windows. And if it's your first time, you can go ahead and click on the play icon to watch it, but we're doing that for you. So we're going to click on skip, close, and now we have our calendar. You're going to notice that we have some pre-planned schedules on our content planning calendar. Of course, these are auto-generated and it's left for you to go ahead and customize it for yourself. Now this is a calendar view, and in order to change this view to another view, we're going to go over to the top left corner where we have views and click on it. And here you can see some options. Now when we click on see all your content, the view is changed from the calendar to this one. Now if we want to go to the third option, which is see authors workloads, you can see all of it here by the workload of each author. Under creator, you can see the pre-made name. And if you go to the next one, you can see a different pre-made name and so on and so forth. We're going to go over to the second view, which helps us to give a bird's eye view on the whole content projection. And so currently we have the name, status, headline, subheadline, and all the data for content creation. You have the name of the content, the status of this content, and you can see some other data connected to this particular content. You can see the creator, which helps you have a hold on everyone and what you're doing. You can also see the channels where this content will be placed. Now, these are not all the channels which we have. So if you want to add any, you can simply click on it, expand it, and you can come here and search for other options. For example, we can add Twitter, click on select an option again, and you can go ahead and add YouTube and click on enter. Now we have YouTube and it's here right now. You could do the same for other parts to determine all the places or all the channels where you'd like to have this particular content. Now there are other tools to help you in your content planning. You have the option to hide certain fields, filter certain fields, or group them. So you can go ahead and keep adding more fields as you wish and more columns. And this is how to use Airtable for content planning.